statements are positioned, intended and terminated. So, what is a statement? A statement specifies an action in a Java program. For example, a statement may tell the add of values of x and y and assign their sum to the variable z. It then prints a message to the standard output or writing data to a file, etc. Statements are similar to sentences in the English language. Let's discuss about the types of statement. So Java statements can be broadly classified into three categories. First one is declaration statement, second is expression statement, and third is control flow statement. Let's discuss about Java declaration statement. A declaration statement is used to declare a variable. For example, int num. Here num is a variable and int is a data type, and hence a variable can be declared this way. Int num2 is equals to 100. Here num2 is variable, and in this statement both declaration and initialization takes place. String str. Now the second one is Java expression statement. An expression with a semicolon at the end is called an expression statement. For example, increment and decrement expressions. Num plus plus, plus plus num, num minus minus, minus minus num. Assignment expression. Num is equals to 100. Num into is equals to 10. Method invocation expressions or method calling expressions. Just like system.out.println, this is a statement, or some method param1 param2, some method param1 param2. In this way we can invoke any method. Let's discuss about Java flow statement. By default, all statements in a Java program are executed in the order they appear in a program. Sometimes you may want to execute a set of statements repeatedly for a number of times or as long as a particular condition is true. All of these are possible in Java using flow control statements. The if statements, while loop statements and for loop statements are examples of control flow statements. And we can terminate our Java program with the help of semicolon. So these are the statements. Thank you.